Yes, we have confirmed they will play together. Yes, we have confirmed they will play together. What's up, guys? We're here again today, HardRacing, doing our Will the Ohlins shock and the Chimera play together on the Honda Grom 2022 model? And the answer is yes. Without any modifications, you can bolt them together. And the only thing you need to do is, as you can see in our video here, slide the canister back a little bit in the clamp. So again, you loosen the clamp, slide the canister backwards a little bit, and you have now clearance for the Chimera. Now we did find that you have a little bit extra slack in the hose. So as you can see here, we decided to run the hose up and over the fairing bracket instead of underneath it. Make sure to zip tie it, keep it secure so it doesn't rub, but that helps take up a little bit of that slack because you are sliding the canister backwards a little bit. The beauty of all this is that that canister band that you see there in the middle has enough travel to clamp down on the canister even off of the raised area here. And nothing got bent, nothing had to be tweaked. Obviously the Chimera has a lot of room to be moved around on that coupler, so you have to have it like we have here. But all in all, this is a great solution and answer to all these emails, inquiries, posts, messages, phone calls that we keep getting. Can the Chimera and the Grom play together? And this is a confirmed yes. So of course, for those of you that want to tinker some more and make the perfect fit, yes, you could put some spacers behind this bracket, slide it out a little bit. You could take this clamp off, put some spacer shims behind it, bring it out a little bit. You could take this whole bracket here, put it in a vise, slightly bend it out a little bit to bring the canister a little bit farther away. But as it stands, it's not hitting anything. It's just really tight. The biggest question, and this is the answer to it, is yes, you can just bolt them on together, make a little bit of adjustment, and they will play together without having to modify, bend, build, or tweak anything, which is awesome, because these are obviously two of the most popular upgrades for the Grom, the Chimera hands down, and of course everybody knows the stock shock is not so good, and upgrading to the Ohlins HO047 is a night and day transition. So hopefully you appreciate this video as all our others. We always ask you, please support the channel. Click down there below on the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, click the bell icon so you get notified when we do more videos. But we greatly appreciate your support. It helps us make more videos, bring you more information and content on this bike, parts, accessories, performance, upgrades. Does it work? How does it work? How does it fit? How do you install it? All the questions you guys always want to know. That's why we make these videos, so that you guys are informed, you know what you're getting before you buy it, and it helps you spend your money wisely. So again, if you need anything, be sure to give us a call, send us an email, and as always, check out our website at hardracing.com.